wonderful experience to be able to perform a song that I wrote myself. This is one of my first songs that I've ever written. I wrote it maybe like a year ago, but nothing really in particular, but I don't want to take up too much time. Okay, so this song's called Broken Birds, and this is the first time I'm playing it live. If I could do anything I want, man, it would be so cruel to be so cold-hearted. If I could fly like broken birds, I'd save myself before it got worse. If I could get a cape and get the heck out, I would take it. But time stands still, there's no getting out. I would run away and join stay cold. If I tried to escape through a tunnel full of lead, I would run into God, take time away instead. I listen to all the voices sing with all their God-forsaken, terrifying dreams. But the newsletter reads that monsters run with tragedies. Birds can't reflect on who to ask, so they all listen. Ooh, if I could do anything I wanted, it would be so cruel to be so cold-hearted. If I could fly like broken birds, I'd save myself before it got worse. If I could get a cape and get the heck out, I could take it. But time stands still, there's no getting out. I would run away and join a candlestick cold. If I tried to escape through a tunnel full of lead, I would run into God, taking time away instead. I'd listen to all the voices sing with all their God-forsaken, terrifying dreams. But the newsletter reads that monsters run with tragedies. Birds can't reflect on who to ask, so they'll listen. Ooh, birds can't reflect on who to ask, so they'll listen. Birds can't reflect on who to ask, so they'll listen.